So if you've heard people talking about the SAVE Act, you might be wondering what it actually is and why it's become such a big political debate. The Safeguard American Voter Eligibility Act, or just simply the SAVE Act, is a proposed federal law requiring documentary proof of U.S. citizenship, such as a passport, birth certificate, or naturalization papers when registering to vote in federal elections. Currently, most Americans just simply sign a form affirming citizenship, with, of course, lying on it already being a federal crime, although that doesn't seem to always be much of a deterrent, does it? Now, the idea stems from the National Voter Registration Act of 1993, also referred to as the Motor Voter Law, which made registration easier through driver's license applications and mail-in forms where you just did a sworn affidavit of citizenship. Now, over time, some lawmakers questioned whether that alone was sufficient. In fact, the debate even reached the Supreme Court in Arizona versus Intertribal Council of Arizona, a 2013 case where the court ruled that states couldn't require additional citizenship proof beyond the federal form for federal elections. Now, the SAVE Act is essentially Congress responding to that ruling by changing federal law itself. Supporters argue citizenship verification can now be required nationwide. Now, introduced in the 2020s amid debates over election security, supporters say it protects electoral integrity, while critics warn it could burden eligible voters who lack easy access to documents like passports or birth certificates. Well, the SAVE Act, of course, has been debated in Congress, but has not yet become law. At its core, it raises a fundamental question, and that is, how do you balance secure elections while maintaining easy access to the ballot? And by the way, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks.